EClogic EClogic setting tutorial. Tutorial video number 27. EClogic builder setting. EClogic provides the possibility of making project-specific logical expressions. When you open EClogic Builder, a controller without any logical settings will be visualized by a default 4 blocks of red symbols. The builder offers the possibility of logically combining various input states. This is done via graphical representation of logical gates. For example, breakers or contactors need to be in a certain position when genset is running. This can be tailored in the builder. The input gates holding the addresses of input status of power meters. Gates has the function code 0x0 for Modbus addresses and bit masks. The addresses should be consulted on the Modbus slave documentation, which is available on EClogic website. Each builder line consists of 4 gates. The status of the gates are represented by the color. Red color means that the gate is false. Green color means the gate is true. How to edit the builder setting? Open the EClogic. Then click the builder tile. There you will see builder lines. Clicking the line number will lead to the gate setup page for the specific line. Each of the first 3 gates take 4 analog and digital inputs, and 4 analog and digital NOT inputs. These 3 inputs are OR together to generate 1 input to the output gate. In this example configuration, address 3397 bit 0 is used as input to the gate 1. From Modbus slave documentation, this is found to be digital input 1 on the PV power meter 1. As the input 1 is active, the gate 1 state is true, which again results in the output gate to be true. This will generate the following statuses in the designated Modbus area to go high. Check this sample installation. In a SPM33 power meter, SG and S2 terminals connected to normally open auxiliary contact of the generator contactor. When the generator is running, SG and S2 will close. When the grid is running, SG and S2 will open. For the above logic, the following configuration will be made. Address 197 bit 1 is used as input 1 to gate 1. From Modbus slave documentation, this is found to be input 1 on genset power meter 1. As the input 1 is active, the gate 1 state is true, which again results in the output gate to be true. And again, address 197 bit 1 is used as NOT input 1 to gate 2. As the NOT input 1 is active, the gate 2 state is true, which again results in the output gate to be true. Here you have to note that when input is present, gate 1 and gate 4 will be green. When the no input is present, gate 2 and gate 4 will be green. This 2-gate logic will be applied to the linker to create the following command. When generator is running, S2 and SG will be closed. This logic make the understanding that the input is present, gate is true, and genset is running. When grid is running, S2 and SG will be open. This logic make the understanding that the input is not present, gate is true, and grid is running. How the builder gate logic work with linker configuration. The following graphical illustration explains builder and linker logic function for better understanding. Here on the linker logic, when digital input present as input status, so the gate 1 status is true on gate 1 output, so the gate 4 status is true as digital input present. And on the linker line 1, gate 1 output status address 28000 is linked as input. Then the output linker command addressed for genset breaker position. According to this linker logic, when input is present, S2 SG closed and genset connected. Here on the gate 2 linker logic, when digital input not as input status, so the gate 2 status is true on gate output 2, so the gate 4 status is true as not digital input present. And on the linker line 2, Gate 2 output status address 28001 is linked as input. Then the output linker command addressed for main breaker position. According to this linker logic, when the NOT input is present, S2SG is open and grid connected. Thank you for watching the video. This video presented by Nkumi. For more information, please visit our website www.mcomb.com.